boys and girls, Miss Gail here at Shining Stars Preschool, and welcome to opening exercises and circle time. Here at Shining Stars Preschool, we like to start our day off with the Pledge of Allegiance. So if you put your hand over your heart and say the pledge with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. So boys and girls, this week is a special week. There's a special word up here, and that word says science. Science is the study of the world and the universe, like the whole universe. And it's not just any kind of study, it's like an intense kind of study. It's very logical, and you'll notice my bulletin board here has a magnifying glass. That's because in science, when we study something, we like to look super close at all of the details. And then there's a ruler here too, and that's because in science, a lot of times we measure things and we look for evidence of, like whatever our thoughts are on how something works or how big it is or just about any question you could imagine. And then over here I have a pair of tweezers, and that's because in science not only do we look closely and we measure, we also kind of take things apart and we break them down into their original components. And science is a pretty cool thing. It's really fun. It was one of my favorite subjects in school. And we're going to be doing a lot of science activities, so scroll down through our playlist and you're going to learn lots and lots about a whole bunch of different things in science this week. So we're going to count through all our numbers from 1 to 20, and these are our new numbers down here, so I'm going to review them very quickly for you. This is the number 16. It is a 1 and a 6. And this is yesterday's number of the day, and it is 17, and that is a 1 and a 7. Our number of the day today is 18, which is a 1 and an 8. And then the next number after 18 is 19, and that's a 1 and a 9. And then all the way at the end here is the number 20. 20 is a 2 and a 0. And if you scroll down our playlist, we're going to have some good activities for the number 18 today, because that's our number of the day. We'll be doing some writing, and maybe we'll look at the value of the number 18 so that you can get a better idea of what exactly 18 is and what it looks like. So we're going to count all the way from 1 through 20, and hopefully you'll be starting to get some of these newer ones by this point in the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Nice job. I know that some of you are really trying at those numbers. So our letter of the day is actually 2 letters. We've done the entire alphabet. So these next 2 weeks we're focusing on some tricky sounds that kiddos get mixed up whenever they're first starting to read. And our 2 sounds are the letter B, which makes B, and P, which makes P. So here we have B, P, B, P, B, P. So B makes the B sound, as in boat and bus and box. Boat, bus, box, boat. P makes the p sound. It's a lot more airy than the b. Makes the pa sound, as in pretzel and puppy and pig. So P, pa, pretzel, puppy, pig. B, box, boat, bus. And we'll be doing some activities on those two letter sounds so that you can work on them a little bit this week. Okay, so we're going to end our circle time with the apples and bananas song, and we're going to sing it right the first time, and then I will give you some vowel sounds to substitute in there. And because we did this all last week, you should be able to kind of do it on your own. So let's give the apples and bananas song a try the right way the first time. I like to eat, eat. Apples and bananas. I like to eat, eat. Apples and bananas. I like to 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 eat. Apples and bananas. The regular way. I like to eat. Apples and bananas. I like to eat. Apples and bananas. Well, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed circle time and that you learned something new. Have a nice day, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to scroll down and do some of those fun science and letter activities today. Bye!